Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up Microsoft Edge browser on your Vivo Y76 5G. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write Microsoft Edge. And hit the search button. Now select this app and click install. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open the app. Here you can sign in to other accounts in order to sync other Microsoft Edge browsers or add another account. I'm gonna do it later, and next thing is to allow or not data sharing preferences. I'm not gonna allow them, and then confirm. From here you can also set Microsoft Edge to be default browser, and yeah, let's do it. Go for the browser app and select Edge. Now if we go back, our browser is ready, we can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.